Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the face recognition scanner on your OnePlus 15 isn't recognizing your face properly. To solve this issue, let's set up a new face model on your device and let's try to do it better this time. So unlock your device, go to Settings, navigate down to Security and Privacy menu, Settings, then open it, then scroll down to Device Unlock. Here you'll find face and fingerprint unlock. Go right here. If you have any face models enrolled on your phone, then go into face menu and remove them beforehand. And now what you have to do is make sure that the frontal camera of your device is clean and smooth. To make sure of that, wipe it carefully with the microfiber cloth or just with a dry towel if you don't have access to microfiber cloth, if you don't have it around. Be careful, and also make sure that the lights in your room are set up, are adjusted properly so that they are facing you and not your device's frontal camera, as this will result in your face being blurry on the image. And also make sure that your face isn't too bright when you look at it in the camera. Once you're ready, select face, agree, then enter your password, and now face your frontal camera to yourself, tap add now, then look directly at the camera and keep your face in the circle. And once you're done, tap done. And before we move on, let's go back to settings and let's go to system and update menu in settings. In system and update, select software update. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet and make sure that your device uses the latest system version or the latest software version. And if you don't have updates prepared for you on your phone, then before you continue, install them and let your phone restart. If you don't have any updates, then restart your phone manually by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Then swipe up for restart and wait until your phone is restarted. Once your phone is restarted, use your password to unlock the phone. It's the system requirement. And give your phone a couple of seconds just to start up. Then let's lock the device and let's try to unlock it using our face. Okay, it works seamlessly for the first time. Almost seamlessly for the second attempt. And as you can see, everything works smoothly for me, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.